viewers, thanks for visiting my channel and have this Ryobi. This one's electric pressure washer, 1800 psi, 1.2 gpm. So I have the gas operated Ryobi, but I don't have the lock. It's a lot of hassle to use it, not like this one. You can just put it in an outlet and you're there. And this one too, this wool sanding, it's garbage, so I'm gonna throw it. So I don't like it the way it's you see the hose, it's already messed up, so that's why I buy this one. This one is from Home Depot. I bought it for $100 something. The brand of this one, it's Ryobi. This one is I think the model number RY141802. So this one is a very portable, very small one. So you can get it available accessories there. So you can sold separately there. The nozzle, 3-in-1 nozzle, rotating wash brush, and the 12 inches surface cleaner. So it's up to you if you want to get the one. Now try to crack this back very quick so they can show you how it look like. And after this one, so just wait for a couple of days or weeks. I'm just gonna show you how to exactly how to use this one in actual. So for now it's just to give you ideas, just unboxing. So make this one really quick and let's open it. So here's my small dandy that always used for unboxing. So let's open this one. Access it's I just get it and it's new, so open this one really quick. So first you already see the manual, so it's only one page. And there's a translation of English, and the other side it's look like Spanish. So they have only two. And here's the goodies. They have some nozzle there, two nozzle like reminders, and I think this one is the handle. One is the main wound, so that's part of the gun, and I think there's another one right there in the very bottom. Here's the hose. It's decent, but it's not the very good one, but you know, it's I think it's do the job. And here's some bottle container for the soap, so you can twist this one. There's a hose there, and here's some for the mold. Here's some bracket for to be safe, and here's the another second one to make it long, the gun. I'll show you that later. And the handle is not there, you need to put it on. And this one is the wire. And I just want to tell you, this one is only 20 feet, so it's up to you if you want to upgrade it. So very short, so I think it needs extension on this one. So this one is one of the nozzle. You can use 1.6 or 1.5 GPM to this one. They have only two here. And here's the handle. So let me get my, so here's my power impact driver. So let's put this one in. So just sear it, align it, and put the other side. Make sure it's aligned. Don't put a lot of pressure to this one. As soon as you feel the tight, stop it, because it's only plastic. So it's there, little bit loose. Touch up a little bit thing so that you can control it. So now it's there. Put this one in aside now. So to give you a size, to be exact, the size of this one from end to end is like 30 inches long. Height, it's include the, if you include the handle, it's like 10 inches, and the width is about 8 inches. So that's the height. It's not too big. It's here's the switch. So here's the on, that's the up. So this red is the up, on is the black. So let's put that in the up. And to give you idea how to put this one in, it's very simple. Just so that you know how to do it. Just so it's there. So it's already in. So the can, you can just push it the same. You just connect this like neck and insert it there. So there's an opening, and then push it, and so it's there. So you can screw this one too if you want, and put some soap there, water, so whatever you want to put. And to put this nozzle in, very simple. Just push this, and then so it's there. And the other one too, I'll show you. I think this one is this one is the one that they have strong when you're trying to clean something, car or your garage driveway. You can, they have a positive when you closed it. So, and here's the two end of the hose. This one is simple to just push this one in, and make sure don't cross thread this one. It's only this one's ready to go when you push it in. So you can feel that they already have bite for the thread, and the other side too. And this one, the other side like this here, there. You can just put your supply hose there with water, and here's the wire. So they have some, in case this one stopped, there's a test and there's a reset there. So I think this one is only use 125 volts. So there's no 220 there. So you can use this one only for US. If you want to use internationally, you need to get some transformer to this one to make it a little bit high for the voltage. So I think that'll be it, and I don't see any special thing to this plastic bag, just the important instruction there, and same thing. And the only I can see it's this one, it's just like the basic hose, so it's up to you want to upgrade. But the one, it's a little bit decent, and this one you can, the trigger, you can stop it for the kids to be safe, so they're not gonna squeeze. So that's why they put it very visible, so that you can, when you have kids around, so that they cannot play accidentally squeezed it. So there's a good there. And the pitting, it's decent too, made of I think copper with the plastic inside. And check this one, open it, push, and this wound, the half handle, it's all plastic, but there's a little metal there to make sure it's strong. And I think that'll be it. So thanks for visiting my channel, and that's the only parts that it comes with it, so there's no special there. And this one is all both decent. It's a hard plastic, and even this one, it's metal too, and they have some lock there. So you see those little ball there, so that's it locks when you insert the, and to avoid some water leaking there. In this one, you can, for storage, you can put this one like this, and so that they have not eat a lot of space, so you can do like that. So it's there, so easy to carry. You can take this one out, you can put this one on the side, so toss it in the side like this, or in the top. And it's very compact, so you can put this one in your, always ready, you can put in your trunk, even not matter what, if the car or truck, this one is not gonna add a little bit weight on this, so it's very light. And so let's try this one later to wash my car or do some cleaning for my driveway. Hopefully I can use this one. But in car, 100% to clean your car, you can use this one. But let's try to the next video if I can use this one for my driveway. So I think that'll be it, and thanks for visiting my channel. See you in my next video to show you how this one is worked. And thanks for watching. I'm out. Thanks. Subscribe. Bye-bye.